Hi. Welcome to Marketing Tools. Today I will talk about Envato Elements. What is it? Why you need it and why you should consider using Envato Elements. Okay, here we go. What is Envato Elements? Envato Elements is a comprehensive subscription service that offers unlimited access to a massive library of digital assets. It includes high-quality graphics, customizable templates, stock videos, professional photos, and unique fonts, all available for download and use in your projects. Why do people need Envato Elements? Envato Elements provides a valuable resource for anyone in creative fields. With unlimited downloads, you can access a wide range of assets to enhance your work. The commercial license included means you can use these assets in professional projects without worrying about additional fees or licensing issues. It simplifies the process of finding and integrating high-quality resources, saving time and boosting creativity. Why should you consider using Envato Elements? Envato Elements offers a cost-effective solution for accessing top-tier digital assets. It helps you maintain a consistent quality and style across your projects while eliminating the hassle of sourcing individual assets from multiple places. With a single subscription, you get everything you need to elevate your creative work and stay ahead in a competitive market. Who is Envato for? Envato Elements is designed for freelancers, marketers, designers, and any creative professional looking for top-tier assets to improve their work. Whether you're working on client projects, marketing campaigns, or personal creative endeavors, Envato Elements offers the tools you need to stand out and create impressive results. Explore Envato Elements now and get your big discount today. Check the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and tips.